Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts. To start, we have to go to Google and type Google Cloud Skills Boost. Then click on the first link. Now click on Join and Create Account with Google. Enter your birth date and check I'm not a robot, then click on I accept. Now navigate to Catalog. Click on Format. Choose Lab and click on A Tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. Here is where we will be creating our accounts. Check the CAPTCHA and click on Start Lab. Now you will have a generated email, but you have to follow the next steps for it to work. Go to YouTube and log in with your generated email and password. Click on I understand, and you'll be successfully logged in. You can now go to Gmail and check your new account. You'll have a new email that you can use anywhere you want, but you have to keep in mind that this email is only valid for 1 hour. You can check the lab to see how much time you have remaining, and if it expired, you can create another one. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if this helped you.